My favorite drywall repair kit. I got it for my house. I had to fix a huge hole in my wall and it helped me a lot. It was very simple to use it and I love the materials and honestly the color is amazing. That is how it looks. There is everything in the box: wall mending agent, easy repair of wall damage. This one, it is not too large but it is enough for me. There are a lot of different things in the package which I used, and it is all very tiny but it is very easy to use it, and instruction is easy, manual, and you usually just clean the broken wall and dust, remove the flooring block and flooring dust, and reveal the hard solid surface. Then you squeeze the wall repair past on the wall surface that needs to be repaired. If there is a hole in the wall, you need to use wall repair patch according to the size of the hole, practical corresponding wall repair pitch. And then you use the scraper. So there are different scrapers you can use, and it was very easy to fix the wall. I fixed it in my house and I was very satisfied with this product. I love it a lot. I trust this brand. I always get different products from them and amazing quality.